What's up, guys? Today we have a Lenovo Y40-80 80FA, and it came in here for the power jack repair, and that's basically a power jack that's broken right here. You see the center rectangle is missing, and there are two pins that are kind of moved to the top. So I never done this before, so let's take it apart and see if we can fix this one. I mean, I haven't done this particular model before, so not sure if we have a part for it or not. It should have, but let's see. By the way, we fixed those for $100 total, includes the labor, the parts, and the, so basically screws right here, right here, right here, right here, and those two right here. Let's see if we need to take those guys off. Two long screws here, one screw right here. Okay, so long, and long. Three longs right here. The video will show you so that in case you want to do it yourself, you could do it yourself. Do it yourself. Let me see, maybe there is something hidden here. No, it looks everything's Y40 full touch. i7, wow. Well, in my opinion, Lenovo produced the crappiest laptops ever, but people still buy them. I mean, people buy Mercedes and BMW 7 Series, even though usually that's a bad product to begin with. I'm just trying to see where exactly am I catching it up in order to pry up the casing. There might be screws under this pad, which I don't want to touch if there is nothing there. Unfortunately, nobody else besides me is filming this stuff, so I don't know if there's anything hidden here or not. So, again, if you like the video, leave a like. It could be screws here too, by the way. It doesn't seem like it. Okay. Let's try to pry it open without taking the rubber stuff off. Okay. Like that. Like that. Like that. Okay, like that, it comes out. Okay, and here we got the jack, which is just sitting there, like in this stuff. So here we remove the jack, and we have something broken someplace. So this piece is broken, but where is it? Ah, it's from the jack right here. So the jack basically breaks like that, and that's what you get. Now let's set it all apart aside and see if we can do something about it. Here we got the jack, exactly the same jack right here. a brand new jack, same exact, but this is basically non-broken jack. This is how it's supposed to look like, and this is a broken one. So let me see the cable configuration in the back. Let's see. Again, if you like the video, give a like. You can also visit us at powerjackrepair.net. And again, we charge $100 to fix this for you. And hopefully it's gonna work, because sometimes Lenovo's have tendencies not to work at all after they lose the entire power, like the battery dies and there is no power connection. Sometimes they never come back to life. So I want to see what color is this cable. Okay, this cable is black, black and blue in the middle. I need to write it down. So black, red, blue. Okay, so this is black one, right? Yeah, black. Black, red, blue, red, and black. Okay. So the thing is, you don't want to make the cables any shorter than they already are. So try to be extremely careful here. Alright. So what you need to do is you need to just take the heat shrink off. Alright. By the way, those jacks come in two colors, the black and the yellow one. So if we send the laptop back to you and it's a yellow in color, it doesn't mean anything, it's all the same. Okay. Alright. Let's clean this cable. One thing I forgot to do is I forgot to power up my soldering iron, so soldering iron gonna take about 5 minutes to power up. You can just skip forward to 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna desolder those cables here and solder them to these pieces right here. Alright? So right now you can check out the website, but I will show you how to desolder and solder it. So just give me 5 seconds. 5 minutes. Sorry, I forgot that I was recording here. Sometimes it skips my mind. All the way here this way. So like that and like that. Okay. Wonderful. It sits perfectly inside and I like it. Yep. It's all good. Let's see if the cover, there's also a top cover here. That's gonna keep it down a little bit. So, okay, let me remove the gloves. Oops, sorry, zoom out, zoom out. Let's put some tape on it. Just want to make sure that the cables don't touch each other in any way, shape, or form. Like that. Like that. Wonderful. Okay. Pretty easy repair. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to be so easy because Lenovo makes it really hard sometimes to work well on. Well, let's say Lenovo are the hardest one to work on, but this particular model turned out to be no big deal. And the thing is, that's the last jack we have like that, so we have to order more jacks. Here now, let's see if we can put it back together properly. Okay, let's close it down. Okay, let's see if it's gonna power up. Oh, port here should be fixable still there. Shut in. Yeah. Alright, so we got the battery light right here, showing that it's charging. Right. Let's power up Lenovo. So yeah. So basically, if you got this model, you could pick it up, ship it away. We're in Chicago, Stabai. If you're in Chicago, we could fix it in about 30 minutes or so. Alright, the total is $100. Again, everything's loading and everything is working. So right there. Alright, and here it shows that it's plugged in and charging. Okay, thanks so much. Have a good day.